Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to Voice the Pesantren, a podcast where we talk about faith, fun, and everyday life of Santriwati in Islamic boarding school. I'm your host Ulil Izatida, and today we're going to talk about something close to every Santriwati's heart, friendship and sisterhood in the drum. To join me, I have two amazing guests again, Rizka and Halida. Hi girls!
Hi!
Hi everyone, so happy to be back.
Me too. This topic is really special because dorm life is full of friendship story, sometimes fun and sometimes emotional.
Let's start from the beginning. What it's really like living together at pesantren dorm.
It's like living with dozens of sisters. We share everything: our room, food, laughter, and even tears sometimes.
Yes, exactly. At first, it was a bit strange because living with so many people, following the same schedule, waking up at 4 a.m. But after a few weeks, it feels like it was home.
That's lovely. Do you remember your first night in the dorm?
Oh yes, I cried quickly in my blanket because I miss my mom. But then my roommate, who barely know me, comfort me and give me her chocolate. That simple act made me feel so warm.
That's so sweet. For me, my first night was full of laughter. We were so excited to be asleep. We kept talking until the mudira came and told us to be asleep.
It sounds like you boiled strong blood. What do you think makes dorm friendship different from normal school friendship?
The difference is, in the dorm, you don't just see your friend at school, but you live with them. So you see them when they're sad, when they're sleepy, when they wake up, or when they're struggling. That when real sisterhood grow.
Yes, we learn patience, empathy, and teamwork. Sometimes we argue over small things, like who should sweep the floor, but we always make up quickly because in the end we need each other.
That's a beautiful lesson. Living together will teach more than just knowledge. It teach character. And can you share memorable moment that so strange of your friendship?
One time I got sick and couldn't attend class. My room test took turns bringing me food and even helped me review lessons. That's when I realized they're not just friends, they're my sister.
I love that. For me, it was during Ramadan, waking up for sahur, sleepy but laughing, cooking instant noodle with flashlight because the power went out. Those small silly moments become precious memories.
That sounds so heartwarming. It's those small things that make drum unforgettable, right?
Absolutely, sometimes it's not just big events. It's about simple kindness like sharing a blanket or listening to a friend who's homesick.
Now let's be honest, friendship isn't always perfect. What kind of challenge do you face living so close together?
Oh, there are many. Sometimes misunderstanding happen. Maybe someone borrowed something without asking or forgot to do their chores.
Yes, or when someone play music too loud during study time. But we learn to solve it calmly. Usually we say maaf ya ukhti or sorry sister and everything becomes fine again.
That sounds a healthy attitude in Islam. Maintaining good relation is part of akhlak, right?
Exactly. Our ustazah always reminds us, if you love your sister for Allah's sake, forgive her easily. So we try to practice that every day.
That those sisterhood meant to you personally.
To me, sisterhood means standing together in a good and bad time. When I feel sick, my friend remind me to pray and stay strong. When I succeed, they celebrate with me sincerely.
For me, sisterhood is about helping each other grow closer to Allah. It's not just friendship, it's ukhuwah fillah, love for the sake of Allah. That's what makes it so pure.
Subhanallah, that's a beautiful meaning. True friendship in Islam is spiritual. It's connection, heart, not just hobby. Before we end, What advice will you give to new Santriwati who are still adjusting to drum life?
Be patient and open heart. Everyone is different. Different backgrounds, habits, and personalities. Don't judge too quickly. Take time to understand and love them.
And always spread kindness. A simple smile, sharing your snack, or saying Jazakillahu khairan can make someone's day. Also remember, no one is perfect, including you. So forgive easily and focus on building peace.
Beautiful advance. I think that makes Pesantren life so special. It's not just about learning Islam, but also living it through love, passion, and sisterhood. And thank you so much, Rizka and Halida, for sharing your lovely story. And thanks you for listener for tuning into Voice from the Pesantren. If you joined this episode, share with your friends or maybe your drum sister.
See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.